Are you looking for a career change or growth? Just in the US, at least 8 million new jobs will be added by 2023. If you'd like to take stock of your career and life goals, now would be a good time. With this list of best jobs 2023, you'll be able to decide on what skills you have that can be adapted to a different industry, or if you can change streams altogether with a little help from online learning. Here are the most in-demand jobs of 2023. 10. Digital marketer. Perks, a wide variety of roles to choose from, and the option to work from anywhere. Projected average salary, $60,267 per year in the U.S. Did you know that the average age of a digital marketing manager is 38 years in the U.S.? Like its predecessor on this list, blockchain technology, digital marketing too is a field in its infancy. However, it draws young people with the potential to learn and grow. Before the pandemic, digital marketing was a part of the marketing mix for most companies. Post the pandemic, almost all marketing is digital marketing due to its proven benefits, like correct attribution to channels and the option to course correct during a campaign over traditional marketing channels. You can gain more perspective about this career path from our guide to how digital marketing works. 9. Human resources roles. Job security and the possibility of making workplaces more equitable. Projected average salary, $70,838 per year in the U.S. Human resources have been an integral part of any organization, starting from the late 1960s. However, this is a field that has seen major growth and transformation during the pandemic. Remote work, hybrid models, and what we call the gig economy, an increased focus on outsourcing work as short contractual gigs, has completely changed the job description of HR pros. While their roles might have altered, the importance of their role has grown as the workforce adapts to new working models. To have an in-depth understanding of human resource as a career path, check out our guide. 8. Marketing analyst. Perks, options to work from anywhere, and the opportunity to show your creativity. Projected average salary, $76,470 per year in the U.S. Marketing analyst roles are also an offshoot of data science jobs, but as it is not a core stream profile, we have listed it separately here. A marketing analyst is expected to analyze data sets of market segments or campaigns and come up with the usable insights. As one of the top picks on the Best Jobs 2023 list, it requires both scientific knowledge and business acumen. 7. Project manager. Perks, loads of transferable skills, and overseas travel opportunities. Projected average salary, $81,121 per year in the U.S. About 89% of organizations now have at least one project manager office, PMO, and 50% have more than one. This goes on to show that project managers add tremendous value to an organization by making sure that all resources are utilized in the most efficient way. The role of a project is a mix of many aspects like people management, technical troubleshooting, leadership, and planning. The need for project managers will only grow with the new hybrid or work-from-anywhere models that are coming into practice post-pandemic. To chalk out a career in project management, you can check out our comprehensive guide to become an effective project manager. 6. Data scientists. Perks, apart from an enviable pay package, you are in a career that is future-proof. Projected average salary, $101,736 per year in the U.S. Haven't you heard yet? Data is the new gold, and the gold rush it has created in the job market ain't going away soon. Data science-related jobs will continue to roll the roost in 2023. In fact, according to Business Insider, data science jobs will continue to be relevant all the way up to 2030. Now, there is a catch. There are several different roles and jobs that come under the purview of data science. And for someone who is just starting out or looking to switch career streams, this can be very confusing. So, you can go through our ultimate guide to become a data scientist for guidance and clarity. 5. Financial manager. Perks, great work-life balance and high demand in the job market. Projected average salary, $103,064 per year in the U.S. Investment, both personal and organizational, is coming up as a huge sector in the near future. Financial management jobs are thus gaining significance. A finance manager is expected to manage the investment portfolio of a company, invest judiciously and with intent, thereby creating wealth for the company. It is a critical job profile that requires rigor and in-depth knowledge of finance. 4. Network security. Perks. The scope for network security roles is only growing in the future, so there is job security and continuous learning. Projected average salary, $103,518 per year in the U.S. Did you know that the global annual cost of cybercrime is estimated to be $6 trillion per year? Also, cybercrimes have grown by over 600% since the pandemic. So if there ever was a time to get into network security jobs, it's now. Network security professionals are expected to keep the internal data of companies, as well as their clients and partners, secure. As the cost of a security breach is excessively high, this is a rather lucrative job opportunity. 3. Blockchain engineer. Perks. This field is nascent, which means it has tremendous growth potential as the demand for blockchain resources is higher than the supply. Projected average salary, $120,000 per year in the U.S. Research has predicted that from 2020 to 2030, its market size for blockchain technology will scale at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 85.9%. No wonder blockchain has made it to the list of the most in-demand jobs in 2023. This technology that powers new age crypto and banking applications has a massive growth potential in the next decade or so. To know more about blockchain technology, explore a career guide. 2. Nurse practitioner. Perks, career longevity, and the option to work independently. Projected average salary, $122,744 per year in the U.S. According to the Business Insider, nurse practitioners are going to be the most in-demand jobs in 2023. This is primarily because quality healthcare is one of the most valued professions in the future. The first step is to become a certified nurse and then keep adding to your skills. Emeritus has a whole range of healthcare courses partnered with the best universities around the world. 1. Machine learning engineer. Perks. Your career graph will grow exponentially and you have the option to solve real-life problems. Projected average salary, $124,059 per year in the U.S. According to LinkedIn, hiring of machine learning engineers grew by 32% between 2019 and 2020. With more and more companies investigating machine learning as a way to protect their businesses from future disruptions, the demand for machine learning engineers is still shooting up. And that is how machine learning engineers have earned the second spot on the list of Best Jobs 2023. You can explore different types of artificial intelligence and machine learning courses on Emeritus, depending the stage you are in your career. With disruptive technologies coming into the market on a regular basis, future relevance of certain jobs is extremely important. Use this list of Best Jobs 2023 to analyze which careers have a future and choose your path accordingly.